I'm not somebody that loves reading long documents, especially when there's a lot of background about why a decision was being made and all these things. I just want to get to the point of this is the decision, this is who made it, and why. So this template actually flips things from, if you think of like a normal research document that comes to a conclusion, like you're going to have, why did we run this research? Here's all the options we went through. Here's the conclusions. And then the point is at the bottom. This flips it more like a headline of a newspaper where you don't want to bury the lead. It's, this is the one proposal we're going to make, and we decided to do this, yes or no. It's not, here's 15 choices. It's just one decision, yes or no. And it really simplifies that. So the template forces people to think in that way, which is a good habit for making decisions faster and not getting in the fatigue of looking at several different choices and trying to evaluate each one against each other. It's just, can this be made or not?